Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to Matt Hart's Ice Cream. Today we'll be trying the brand new Blizzard of the Month from Dairy Queen, Red Velvet Cake. Dude, I totally love Red Velvet Cake. It's just like a red colored chocolate cake and cream cheese icing, and that's awesome. And that's exactly what this new Blizzard is. It's a little red velvet cake pieces, all chopped up and pretty, with little cream cheese icing swirls mixed in. So I'm jazzed. Like, I'm really jazzed to be trying this because I love red velvet cake. Now, the small red velvet cake Blizzard is 640 calories with 23 grams of fat. So this is something you should really be doing every once in a while. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't stall anymore. I must eat this, so yeah. Okay, this is pretty darn amazing. It's got little gooey red velvet cake pieces. You can taste the cream cheese icing a lot. This is rad, dude. I am noticing that the red velvet cake pieces are just a little bit on the top, so if I don't get any more towards the bottom, I'm going to be kind of sad. Well, as it stands, this is a great tasting Blizzard. I did like the little cake bits. I love the cream cheese icing. Like, everything is pretty darn good on this. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to give Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month Red Velvet Cake 5 scoops of happiness.